Howdy folks, welcome back to the workshop. So today we're going to be working on a hand-forged heavy bush knife. It's going to be made from 5160 and it's going to have some nice stabilized curly maple scales. So it should be a pretty interesting project. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we're about ready to etch the knife itself. So I'm going to try a new technique that I've never tried before, which is I've got the whole thing glued up before I actually etch it, because I always have a problem with the fit up kind of looking nice at the end. So just got the whole thing covered in tape, got a little bit of Axe wax there to resist the etch on the parts where I couldn't get tape on it. So hopefully it all goes well. So here's the knife all finished up. It is 60 inches overall with a 10 3/4 inch blade. The spine is a hefty 5.5 millimeters, so this will be a nice heavy chopping bush knife. It's got a pretty nice sharp edge on it, not too crazy sharp because it's going to be beaten up against tree limbs and what have you. Really happy with the way the stonewashing turned out. That handle, that grain just pops really, really nice. Pins turn out really nice and even. And with that new technique I've tried of kind of like a resisted etch, just assembling the whole thing at once and then protecting the blade from the ferric chloride. I think that makes a nicer kind of finish, because usually there's like a little gap there, not a gap but maybe like a little ledge, because I can never seem to get everything to line up quite right. So I talked to some friends of mine and that's kind of what they suggested to do, and it turned out fantastic. So really happy with the way it turned out. So just thank you guys so much for taking time to watch this video. It means a whole lot. It does take a little bit of extra time out of the workday to set up the camera and get the angles just right and everything, because obviously we're running a very high quality production here. So if you want to see more kind of stuff what we're doing, you can follow our Instagram and our Facebook page. And if you would like to support what we're doing here, we also have our online website where we sell other knives and leather goods and stuff like that. So once again, just thank you folks so much for taking time to watch this video. And until next time, be strong, work diligently, and glory to God in the highest.